haven't got you off my mind since I saw you that Tuesday night. I think about it all the time, yeah. Morning.
I don't know.
Hi guys, we're here at
GoPro, start
Manila.
recording. Hello.
Hi guys, we're currently here at NAIA. Migration is very strict, but if you have your, if you are confident with yourself and you have your complete documents, I'm sure you be able to, get inside. Maldita ang immigration, mas maldita ko.
Period.
Abam!
Welcome to Bangkok, bitch.
Sawadee ka! You saw it! You saw it! You saw it! Oh my god! Sawadee ka! I know, I'm almost
Lagi na sa video.
outbalance.
Lagi na sa video.
No, pero gawin yung ano mo, ulo.
Go, Mark. Kaya mo yan. Kapon cup! Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Kapon cup!
Cup. It's a room. Maybe so, likod.
Where are we going?
We're heading for KFC.
First, laag in Thailand. How's your...
Gutom.
Okay.
Sapoy na kong nilakaw, promise.
It's not even that far.
Sakay ko kuwan, oy.
Put, ay, tuk-tuk.
What's that?
Tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk?
Yes.
Atot-tot.
Tuk-tuk.
First day in Thailand! Good morning, everybody!
Good morning.
We're going.
We're going to chatuchak market since it's Saturday and it's only open on the weekend. It's Pasalubong Day and also shopping.
It's our first day, but it's our pasalubong day.
Because we love people. Oh, love such a waste. So expensive to love, I swear. Oh.
So guys, as much as you can, please don't make friends. Hello, mayong butag sa tanan. Atong pangliba ko ng mga tao diri. So we are here eating our breakfast. I got a roasted chicken with the chili sauce and
Lamit sa? Marky. Pila man na kuya?
100 ra. 100 ra day. 100 bahts na nasa Atbang police
Mura ka
station.
gumaligya diha pay pagtarong. Mo siya gumaligya.
Palit mo. Really? Like my outfit.
Kana maging anak ka oh. Tarong ibutak sa imong abagan ni. Bitaw, mura. Abirog si Mark tong gason. Ano CJ? Ay, lamig siya. So good. We also got honey plum soda. I don't know what it, I don't like it. I don't like this, but maulaw pa. It got watered down. It tastes really bad. It's fine now. Kanina, it tasted like salt water, like electrolyte water. Pero medyo itong libos. Pwede kita dere.
Ah, Mark. Daghana na dagyot yung napalit niya.
Hi, we're currently here at
Chatuchak.
Chatuchak.
Park.
It's more like the Divisoria in the Philippines. They have how many stalls here?
1,500, I think.
Gasto siya guys, so I'm gonna do it.
Mark. We're going bowling and karaoke.
Walay rest, kapoy.
Might as well.
Kayo pagugong tao.
Makuyawan siya ko na niya.
Hey guys, we're here at our hotel. I'm still waiting for Nona because she's buying a mask. Wala daw face mask. I think dararas mo ipanghatag. Hi. Ano mag-research eh? Bye! Hey, yeah, yeah! Iyot na kay lami, nandang sa blabang! Hey, yeah, yeah! Iyot na kay lami, na! Charm! Meron nililitip!
Got it!
Meron nililitip!
I'm so bad!
Second day. Outfits. Woo! We're going to the temples today, so we have to be covered. And I'm a girl today. I put a ribbon on my hair. You can't see it, but it's like right there.
We'll be visiting temples here. 3 temples, I guess, so we bring extra outfit. So guys, we're going She gonna tour around the city for 100 baht. Ay, naka-discount me guys.
Shopping mall. The new one they have here. The king? Yeah. The king lives here. But they have here.
This is where the king lives. There. Say hi, Dad!
와 진짜 이것도 찐인가요? 찐이.
Mark.
You taking video, maghahiyak ako kahiyak.
Sorry na good. We're in the pool, but like I have a fever, so I'm not going to swim.
Bakit wa?
Correct. They're worried because they didn't wear any perfume. Hello.
I was incredible, so were the decibels. Couldn't hear my thoughts. Something like a chemical, or something medical. I looked at her, I was lost.
Hello.
Nana na siya ka-judgmental manutok, guys. Natawa oh. Ana oh. Ana iyahang na ako na ana niya na po na siya na. Unsa man ba ihanan?
I left our names written in the sand. I didn't know that they would wash away so fast, and that note I left in your bed. You don't have to.
I am with Nona. CJ.
Gutom na ako, mag-uwi.
Gutom na siya. Wala ba ko yung gutom? Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Gutom na si Nona. And si Jay.
I don't wanna be if you don't dare. If you can't see me, I'll say way to go. Maybe a way to go. Yeah, why'd I have to be? I don't know that I someday I should have been now. I was drinking this night, and I
Wala na.
CJ. Ano ba? Happy birthday! It's too dark, but okay.
Nice. Birthday to you.
Birthday to you.
Yeah.
It's gonna. Okay, you can blow. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, si Madam. Bye-bye, Mark. Bye-bye. Uli na siya.
Quisiera parar el tiempo, tienes un efecto sobre mí. I don't know why, in control it, rótalo y enciende los motores. On the music, turn it up. Qué calor, me the sun.